Welcome to our channel Dil Se Duniya. Today's our topic is Ajman Beach of UAE. Come along for a fun-filled one-day trip to Ajman Corniche open beach. From sandy shore to cool sea breeze. We spend the day enjoying nature, laughter and a good food with amazing friends. Watch as we capture the beauty of the waves, the joy of togetherness and those little moments that make life special. Whether it's relaxing by the water, trying beach games, or just enjoying the view, this vlog is all about friendship, fun, and unforgettable memories. So enjoy the scene, do visit the place. Bye bye.